No sound coming from your LG TV after connecting a soundbar? Maybe the soundbar is connected but the TV speakers are still playing, the remote will not control the volume, or the sound is delayed. Don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a soundbar to an LG TV using HDMI ARC or eARC, an optical cable or Bluetooth, plus the quick fixes for the most common problems. Before you start, make sure the TV and soundbar are both powered on, and keep both remotes nearby. Only test one connection method at a time. Using HDMI, optical and Bluetooth together can make the TV choose the wrong output. HDMI ARC or eARC is normally the best choice because it supports better sound and lets your LG remote control the soundbar. If that is unavailable, use optical. Bluetooth is convenient, but it can cause delay. First, check the ports. On the LG TV, look for an HDMI port labeled ARC or eARC. On the soundbar, look for HDMI out, TV ARC, or eARC. Do not use a regular HDMI in port on the soundbar. That is a common mistake, and it will not send TV audio to the soundbar. If HDMI ARC is unavailable, look for optical digital audio out on the TV and optical in on the soundbar. For HDMI ARC or eARC, connect an HDMI cable from the TV's ARC or eARC port to the soundbar's HDMI out, TV ARC or eARC port. Then change the soundbar input to ARC, eARC, or TV ARC. On the LG TV, open Settings, select All Settings, go to Sound, and choose Sound Out. Select Use Wired Speaker, then HDMI ARC device. To control the soundbar with the LG remote, turn on Simplink, LG's HDMI-CEC setting. If both devices support eARC, enable eARC support. If your soundbar supports only ARC and there is no sound, turn eARC support off and test again. If you still have no sound, make sure the soundbar is not muted and the correct input is selected. Check that both ends of the HDMI cable are connected to the ports labeled ARC or eARC. Unplug and reconnect the cable firmly, or test another working HDMI cable. You can also open Sound, Advanced Settings, and Digital Sound Output. Try Auto first, then PCM, or Pass-Through. PCM can help when the soundbar cannot decode the current audio format. If ARC is unavailable, use an optical cable. Remove the protective caps and connect the TV's optical digital audio out to the soundbar's optical in. Change the soundbar input to optical, OPT, or D.IN. On the TV, open Sound Out, choose Use Wired Speaker, and select Optical Out device. If there is no sound, make sure the cable is fully inserted and the correct input is selected. Set digital sound output to PCM if needed. With optical, you may need the soundbar remote to control volume. For Bluetooth, put the soundbar into pairing mode. On the LG TV, open Sound Out, select Use Wireless Speaker, then Bluetooth device or list of Bluetooth devices. Choose the soundbar and finish pairing. If it does not appear, make sure it is still in pairing mode and disconnected from phones, tablets, or other TVs. Bluetooth is useful when you do not want cables, but it can have audio delay, cutouts, and fewer sound options than HDMI ARC. If the sound does not match the picture, open Sound, Advanced Settings, and select Match Screen and Sound or AV Sync Adjustment. Adjust it slowly until voices match the picture. Also, make sure the TV is not using its internal speakers and the soundbar together, because that can create an echo. If the soundbar still does not work, restart both devices, confirm the TV output and soundbar input, and test another cable or connection method. Check the manuals for your exact models because compatibility can vary. That's it for this video on connecting a soundbar to an LG TV using HDMI ARC or eARC, optical, or Bluetooth. HDMI ARC is usually the best option. Optical is a reliable backup, and Bluetooth works when you need a wireless connection. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Comment below and let me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.